Where they at, Steve?
Chad, Dan, see his gun?
Go around the other side. Go around the other side.
Oh, fuck! Hit right there!
He's behind you.
I'm out. Steve, where's he at?
Can't see. Fuck!
Sounds like someone got their ass.
Dan.
What?
Guys, get Brian out. He's in the fucking bushes. I got a dead battery.
Hey! Hey! Oh, whoa, jeez, you don't pop that shit out like that. How many people are in there?
Ow, Steve.
Yo! Oh, shit, every time I try to move. Oh, I got him! You don't get to call your head.
Got him.
Okay, Dan.
Steve's hit. Steve's hit.
You don't get to call. That's because of your whole ass. Alright, Mike's out. I got you. Team Biden holds the flag. Team Palin is back in. Yeah, Steve, Air 5. Alright, they're like all dead. Nobody can down it to come back. Team Palin, you get to come back.
Palin, you're back in!
Wait, I was just like, why the fuck did you go? Come on. Shit is crazy.
Hey, buddy.
For Team Palin, when you capture the buzzer
Oh, watch.
or the timer, remember to stop there, so don't reset it. Oh, wow, that was close. And that... Really? I don't think so. I would
Charlie!
I fucking lost. Oh, you bastard. Fucking cook. You stand on the football.
Is that you?
What's talking, man?
Shit.
Yo, get fucking Charlie!
What are you, trigger happy? What? You just lit me up in the back.
I did?
Yeah!
Eddie, give Mike.
Wait, Brian,
That's Jake. Jake's coming back up.
You're running low, Eddie.
God damn it. Get up! Hey, go for him. Go for him. Go for Mike. Right there.
Hurry up! Yo, Mike, there's a ton of them up here.
You guys should probably go try to get the timers. Charlie, you should probably divert your efforts.
Silk it.
Shake it. You're out. You're out of ammo.
I filled it.
Sounds out to me.
Oh, I didn't fill it. I forgot to fill it.
Oh, well. Go to the cabin. Put your gun in the air and go to the cabin.
Charlie's got me up.
He's out! Charlie's out!
Yo, wait, does it? Right there. Wait, hang on, Mike. Hold your fire really fast. Just don't move. How are we gonna work this out? Because, like, if someone's a medic, they're just gonna camp that person that's down, and then the medic's just gonna keep getting killed.
Well, then Mike's not doing his job and getting a timer.
Eddie's standing like a fucking tree right down in the bottom. He's out. He's out.
Jake, hurry. You're a runner, right?
Everybody's out on our team. Where the hell is
Are you out? Did you get him out?
I'm sick.
One pop shot. He's wide out. He's wide out. Just take a... No, with your sniper.
Jake, get your ass down here.
Just one pop shot. That's all it's going to take.
You got plenty of cover.
Holy shit.
Go. Get him. Get Jake.
Hey, you're-